Welcome back to Car Culture State, where insane machines and luxury dreams come to life. Today we're diving into something that sounds almost unreal, a 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, Bugatti, the brand known for building some of the fastest and most exclusive hypercars in the world, has stepped into the world of ultra-luxury travel, and the result is nothing short of extraordinary. From the very first glance, this motorhome doesn't look like a traditional RV. The design language clearly takes inspiration from Bugatti's hypercars, with flowing lines, a sculpted body, and that iconic horseshoe grille reimagined at the front. Sleek LED lighting stretches across the nose, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Bugatti identity. The body is crafted from lightweight composite materials and carbon fiber elements, not just for style but also to improve efficiency and performance on the road. Under the hood, this motorhome is rumored to use a hybrid powertrain that blends massive torque with improved fuel efficiency. While it's not built to chase top speed records, it still delivers smooth, powerful acceleration that makes highway cruising effortless. Advanced suspension systems keep the ride incredibly stable and comfortable, even at higher speeds or on rougher roads. Driving this feels less like piloting an RV and more like commanding a luxury grand tour the size of a penthouse suite. Step inside and the real magic begins. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, combining high-end automotive design with private jet-level luxury. Fine leather, polished aluminum, and real wood trim cover nearly every surface. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, adjustable to match your mood, whether you want a calm lounge vibe or a dramatic nighttime glow. The living area features a spacious lounge with plush reclining seats and a large panoramic window that makes every view feel cinematic. A hidden 8K entertainment system rises from the cabinetry, paired with a premium surround sound setup. Voice and touch controls allow you to manage lighting, climate, media, and even privacy glass with ease. The kitchen is more like a high-end apartment setup than a typical RV galley. You get induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, a built-in espresso machine, and seamless storage solutions that keep everything looking clean and elegant. Every drawer and cabinet glides with precision, reflecting Bugatti's obsession with detail. Toward the rear, the master suite offers a king-size bed with a custom mattress designed for long-distance comfort. Surrounding storage, soft lighting, and premium textiles create a true five-star hotel atmosphere. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, stone-style surfaces, and high-end fixtures that make life on the road feel anything but ordinary. Tech is everywhere in this motorhome. Advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, and semi-autonomous driving features make handling such a large vehicle surprisingly stress-free. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems, adding a touch of sustainability to all this luxury. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a rolling statement of wealth, design, and engineering excellence. It redefines what it means to travel in style, turning every journey into an experience worthy of the Bugatti name. If you had this level of luxury on wheels, where would you take it first? Let us know, and stay tuned to Car Culture State for more wild machines you never thought possible.